I'm Mark from Beyond the Beanstalk, and I'm going to tell you all about creepy crawlies. Let's start with crickets. Crickets are these nice little insects that only come out at night. Crickets have very strong back legs so they can kick off and launch themselves from leaf to leaf over long distances. They can't jump very high, but very far. So if you're going hunting, be very careful. Crickets have a special ability. At night time, you might hear chirping like this. This is because the crickets can rub their back legs together and their wings, which creates friction, starting to make the noise. Let's talk about millipedes. Millipedes are a favorite of mine because they're very cute and very friendly. Millipedes like to eat bark and old leaves from the forest floor. However, occasionally they'll prey upon older insects that have passed away. Millipedes can have up to 50 legs on each side. Millipedes enjoy a nice, moist and dark environment. They like to be left alone, so even though they're friendly, I would not recommend holding them. Spiders are very cool animals and they're very interesting because they have 8 legs and they move around really funky-like. Spiders like to eat annoying bugs, typically flies, sometimes even crickets. Spiders like to be left alone, like the millipede, however spiders are not friendly. If you see a spider, it's best to observe it from a distance. Never pick up a spider because they have very sharp fangs and venom that can hurt you a lot. Have you ever seen a centipede? Our beanstalk is full of them. Centipedes are these creepy little critters that look similar to millipedes, however, they only have about 10 legs on each side. Centipedes have these very sharp tails they use to dig into prey items such as more annoying bugs or even less annoying bugs, like crickets. This is because centipedes are not friendly, they're very fast and can be scary at times. However, if you want to look at a centipede on our beanstalk, you should probably look at it from a safe distance. Check out my friend Fanula. Now Fanula is a spiny leaf insect. See how she likes to wobble? It's because she's mimicking the swaying of leaves in the wind, so any predators or nasty things that might want to hurt her won't be able to see her. On our beanstalk, you might find a stick insect. Stick insects are cool because they have this natural camouflage which makes them look like sticks or leaves or parts of a tree. Chances are you won't see one because they're very well hidden. Now stick insects are interesting because they have little hooks at the ends of their arms and legs which helps them climb very well. They can even climb upside down. Stick insects like a nice humid environment where there are plenty of gum leaves to eat. I'd like you to meet a friend of mine. His name's Peter. Millipeter because he's a millipede. Come take a look. As you can see, Millipeter's enclosure is full of leaves and leaf litter that he likes to eat, as I said earlier. We found Millipeter on the beanstalk while we were meeting some friends. Look at how his legs move when he's walking along my hand. See that flow? It's amazing how they can control all those legs at once. Aren't millipedes cool?